BJP leader Subramanian Swamy today criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the India-China border issue. Taking to X, Swamy said Prime Minister Modi will be remembered for his surrender in Ladakh to China. Earlier on Monday, he had said, if we in BJP want to see our party sink like the Titanic ship, then Modi is the best to command. Justices N. Koteswar Singh and R. Mahadevan were elevated to judgeships in the Supreme Court today. Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal announced their appointments earlier today. Upon their swearing in, the Supreme Court will reach its sanctioned strength of 34 judges, including the Chief Justice. Justices N. Koteswar Singh, currently serving as Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir, marks a significant milestone as the first judge for Manipur appointed to the highest judicial body in the country. Assam Congress President Bhupen Kumar Bora announced today that the party intends to contest all 5 assembly seats scheduled for by-polls. He reiterated the party's steadfast opposition to the Citizenship Amendment Act. Meanwhile, the state government has instructed its border police wing to advise non-Muslim illegal immigrants who entered Assam before 2015 to apply for citizenship under the new law. This decision were discussed during a meeting chaired by AICC General Secretary Jitendra Singh with district-level party leaders on Monday, marking the first day of his 3-day visit to the state, Bora stated. Rajabala MLA Mizanur Rahman Qazi has submitted a proposal to the Expert Committee on Reservation Policy suggesting a 5% quota for Deshi Muslims for the planned belt of Garo Hills. The proposed reservation would come from the general pool in Meghalaya's state reservation policy. Qazi emphasized the historical presence of the Muslim community in the region, stating that they have inhabited the area since before the 60s, predating the Mughal era and the formation of Meghalaya. He argued that his long-standing presence qualified them as indigenous rather than migrants. Manipur security forces rescued a kidnapped individual and apprehended 5 members of the proscribed Kanglai Park Communist Party faction on July 15. The operation took place in Kongjam Tekchong Makha under the jurisdiction of Kongjung Police Station. The arrested militants were identified as Konsam Rohit Singh, 23-year-old Yanglem Bikash Maite, 24-year-old Tangjung Changba Singh, 27-year-old Morangtam Anand Singh, 37-year-old and Kesham Nelson Singh, 28 years old. Palestinian embassy today thanked India as the latter released the first tranche of $2.5 million to United Nations Agency for Palestinian Refuge UNRWA as part of its annual contribution of $5 million. We hope that India will work to preserve UNRWA and strengthen its status and role, and that Israeli attempts to replace it with other institution will fail, the embassy said. Gareth Southgate has announced his resignation as England manager 2 days after the 2-1 defeat to Spain in the Euro 2024 final in Berlin. It has been the honor of my life to play for England and to manage England. It has meant everything to me and I have given it all, but it's time for change, Southgate said.